What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Cooper Motorsports here, and today I'm coming at you from Whitby, Ontario at the Brooklyn Spring Fair. But before we get into it, guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and let's roll the intro. Alright, you guys, I'm going to have to do something here that I've never had to do on any of my videos before, and that is a voiceover, because there's a lot to unpack at this event, and also my audio kind of messed up here for whatever reason. So, as I previously stated, this is the Brooklyn Spring Fair in Whitby, Ontario. There's lots of fun activities for the entire family to enjoy. There's a petting zoo, as you can see here, rides, games, sideshows, plenty of food, vendors selling merch, tattoo artists, and face painting, and a free concert. But we passed on the free concert when we saw how big the lineup was. But you guys clicked here on this video for a truck and tractor pull. We'll get to that. First, let me explain how we got here. On Friday afternoon, while I was busy doing my own thing, my buddy texted me informing me, well, actually, he reminded me that, because I forgot, that the tractor and truck pull event was happening that evening. I've never been to one of these events before, so I hopped in the car and drove down, met with my friends, and we watched the entire truck and tractor pull event. By the time it was finished, it was so late that we only had time for maybe one sideshow, grab a small bite to eat before hitting the road back home. But on the way out, we realized there's a lot more to this fair that needs to be experienced. So I decided that we should all meet up again the next day, on Saturday, catch the Demolition Derby, and while we do that, I can also capture some footage I didn't the day before. And right on cue, here's Cruiser Nation 1882 and his beautiful wife interrupting my video. So, well, now that we're all here, we might as well just go and watch the tractor and truck pull.
Great Taylor! Blake started up a little bit higher RPM. A little bit better shift that time. He's shifting it down. He's coming up. He's at 240.
Holy crap! Woo!
started to hop. That clutch just needed to get this slow breather. He shut her down. He's got 186 feet underneath him. They're going to check underneath. Want to hear this? 312 feet point 80. And guess what? Out of Brooklin, we're at 312 feet point 83. 0.83. Oh, good call. He ran a 287.83. Again, the fuel brake system out here, they can actually steer by using brakes on the back end. A to B, Ken. Ken, you just ran 321 feet, .98. Flags is up to Jason right now. 20, I believe, to 5. He got shut down. What a wild ride! Jason's Oh, he's over the line. Davis tried to save it and tried to hold on to it. He shut it down fast when he hit up to the white line. That's a DQ out here for him. But nice to see, he stayed off the line. This is our first player, he turned it down. From Alabama, Ontario. At 305.10. He's a higher gear, so we'll go up, but he ran a 306.39. From well, 1975 International is a 1466. He'll be our first puller here in the modified farm, 10-5. He's got it wound up, the turbos are coming up, he's starting to roll coal. He's working, he's got his feet coming up. Turbos, the 1466 missing a little bit. Oh, yeah. He shut her down. 320 feet. He shut her down. Oh, it's just cruising down. He's looking down. That's not looking good. Jake Goddard from Flower Money. Here we go. It's clearing out. They got the turbos cranked up. Here we are. Now he's got it put in right off the bat. Alex Johnson. He's got the speed coming up. The man on Minor, the 3688 shift down, power shift. He gets a shutdown at 308.19. Josh Crystal from Muirfield. Got it over. Now he's taking this on. Oh, he's got the power going out. The turbo straight up for the 1466. Hall. Remember, you ran at 320.41. Guess what? Jack, almost, you ran at 319.15. Jack, you're in second place by like 6 inches. Always in your throttle. Not quite up into burning it. He's trying to, he's just shift down, gets the speed up, but nope, it's still not. Still not liking this. A 189.
Alrighty, well, after enjoying my first ever truck and tractor pull event, we decided to stop and watch this very interesting sideshow. These 3 talented women are known as the Rhinestone Rodeo. I'll be sure to put their information in the description box down below, and I highly encourage you all to go and check them out after the video. These 3 women aren't just talented and brave, they are so energetic, charismatic, and not to mention a little quirky, especially since one woman openly admitted that she likes her cats and cheese. It's a very interesting combination, one that I've never even thought of. Also, these women can do things with fire that I would never think of doing in 1,000 years, which brings me to my next point. Parents, if you are watching this video with your kids, I recommend that you remind them not to play with fire, and not to try any of these stunts at home. Please leave it to these professional women that know what they're doing. And without further ado, let's get on with the show.
Day 2.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the Brooklyn Spring Fair, Day 2. As you see, we are currently watching the Demolition Derby. And I must say, this Demolition Derby is not what I expected. I was hoping for more surface area to allow for more high-impact crashes. But, nonetheless, it was still fun and entertaining to watch. And surprisingly, the car that won this segment is a black and white Chrysler PT Cruiser with the numbers 1212 on the doors. At least I think it's a PT Cruiser. I mean, it was so beat up in the Demolition Derby, it could be another car that just looks like a PT Cruiser. But if it is a PT Cruiser, I guess those cars were actually tanks after all.
Still got 2 trying cars.
Here again. Oh, you gotta finish some.
Red flag goes in.
Alright guys, the end of another day here at the in Whippy in the Brooklyn Fairgrounds. Alright you guys, I believe that's going to do it for today's vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you all truck pull in this video. You're going to see the Demolition Derby.
Motorsports I see in the flesh, there's no way.
Cruiser Nation 882.
We didn't actually set this up, by the way. I just ran into this guy right now.
Yeah, we did not set this up.
Not at all.
Not at all. I forgot where I was.